So I'm going to spray this AMSOIL Mudslinger on the chain guard. I'll show you. So I've already sprayed a lot of it in here. I let it dry per the instructions. And when we come back, I'm going to take it off and I'm going to see how much it should just wipe out. All the grease that's in there just wipe out. You don't need any special chemicals. It's a non-stick type of spray. And when we come back, we'll take it off and we'll show you. So now we have the Mudslinger on. That's all that's inside. By the way, that is the chain lube that we use from AMSOIL as well. I'm just going to take my rag and I'm just going to wipe that out of there, and it should just wipe out with no problems. Nice and clean. And that's by applying the Mudslinger first, and let it dry according to the directions on the can. Put it on after the race. We came back. That's all it took. Just a rag. Wipe it out. No chemicals, no nothing.